I just started trading 2 weeks ago and I came to know about the trading bots. So that's what the easy way to start trading, because if you don't have a knowledge, you can trade yourself. So the best selling trading bot on MQL5 was the AI Gen 12 EA. Okay, we will review it and I just bought it and I will share my knowledge with you guys. This seller claimed that this bot using AI, but I don't think that's true, because when you're doing a back test, it doesn't use the AI. ChatGPT give you a hint about the trade, like the market is bullish, you can take a buy trade or a sell trade. Okay, that's the ChatGPT is doing. I think that is not interfering in taking a trade. Okay, this seller has shared his live signals. That's a good thing. Okay, so let's check it. His maximum drawdowns are 18% and the profit, he initial deposit was $1,000 and profit is 807. Okay, so we will go to the trades. He started these signals in July, August, September and October. Okay, so now we will go to the real trades, what kind of trade he has gotten. Okay, so it use a martingale, but you can turn off this option. Like here in these signals, they are using a martingale. Like when they lose a trade, in the next trade they use a big lot to record the previous trade. So you see here he lost $32. In the next trade he just recorded. But personally, when I use this EA without a martingale, it worked good. There were a lot of videos about it's a scam, but it's not a scam, because I just use it on a demo account, and consecutive 6 trades went for TP. It just hit a TP. But the backside of this is this bot is trading 1:5. Like if you are winning $1, if it hit a SL stop loss, you will lose $5. Just in case if you win $5, on the other side you will lose $25. So just in case if you hit one SL, the next 5 trades will record your that one trade. Losing trades are very little. Like you can say that out of 10, one is losing. So out of 10, if one is losing, you are still profitable with it. Okay, and now we will go for its back test. See, this is the results, and in this signal he is specifically using a martingale. See, here he lose 163. Okay, so in the next trade he used 25 lot size just to record the previous trade. So I personally started it training on my account yesterday, and it almost hit 2 TPs. I will show you my real account here. This is my VPS. What I was telling you, the ChatGPT, I think the ChatGPT suggests something here. There's, I think, the use of the ChatGPT as the golden hues of the market, and for it appears that the momentum favoring upward. Okay, so it said it, therefore my recommendation is buy. Okay, so it placed a buy order here. You see, this is my real account. Okay, this is my real account. I deposited $500 and its SL is way too big. So far it got 3 trades. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. This one is running this will also run a TP, but before that I just ran it on. Before this I just run this EA on a demo account and it works so nice. It was fine. That's why I shifted to, I take a risk and I shifted to this one. So now we will go to the back test. Okay, if you need this EA, you can contact me. You don't have to spend like $1,000 to buy this EA, and especially like when you have very low equity. And I have the 2.5 version 2 and the 2.6 is the latest version now. Okay, so what they recommend is a 30-minute chart. Okay, from 1st of January 2024 to till today. Okay, we will test it without the visual mode, and then I will show you after how you can check the visual mode. And this is because of the graphics on the side. That's why it's taking long time. Okay, so let's go to the setting again. We will turn off the visual mode. Okay, and we are using M30. The default setting, you can run this with the default setting, but I'm changing it. Okay, and the best setting, what I was telling you, is this. Okay, here is the risk level and I choose the 4. That's what you can use. Okay, and here by default the recovery mode, the recovery mode is off by default, but I turn it on, and this is the best settings that I use. Okay, so just in case if you are using this part, what you do. And recovery trades, okay, and the recovery trades are four. Just in case if you hit the SL in the next four trades, it will recover your that losing trade. Okay, and if you want to just turn it off, that's fine too, it still work. Like, you have to wait for it, and you don't have to be panic just if it's hit an SL. Okay, and the recovery factor is 1.5. okay, so what does it mean? That just in case if you are using a lot size of 2, okay, and it hit the SL, so it will multiply the large size with 1.5. okay, and it will take 4 trades. Here the recovery trade, it will take 4. It also has the news filter, like if there is the news filter. Okay, you can also do this setting, but the default one is low aggressive, this one, so you should leave it like that. And if you are using a prop firm like a funded account, you can do that too. Like here you will just make it true. Okay, you will make it true and prop firm your balance and the maximum drawdown. Like if the funded account is allowing you 10%, so you will put the 10% here. Okay, or you can use a percentage here in the next thing. So I okay, and now I will start the back test. Okay, let me check the balance. How much is the balance? So it's 500. Okay, so now we will start it. Okay, it's already started. See, it's going up and up. It's very consistent on the graph, like it's making profit and profit, but the future doesn't guarantee these profits. Like, but so far I'm using it, it is working good, and after a month or two I will come back again and make a video about it again and see how it works. So if you check, there is a lot of TPs, like the winning ratio is a lot more. So that's why overall this EA is profitable. We cannot deny that it's not profitable EA. But it depends on the, you can also adjust it. Like if you want to use, if you have 100k balance and if you want to use like a $10,000, okay, like the same way you are working on a funded accounts, you just set a rules for yourself, it will do better. Okay, and so far there is no losing trade. Okay, so we'll wait for once it hit a losing trade. And by the way, this EA is here already running on my real account. And if you are interested in that, just go to the description, there is my contact form, and you can send me a message and you can contact me. If you have any question about this EA, I can provide you more further information. It doesn't take a lot of trade like some other EAs, they do a lot of trade. It take maximum from 10 to 15 trades a month. It doesn't do more than that. And in the second month, it the equity reached to 1,141. In the third month, it almost reached to 1,900. Okay, here it lose, like it makes $77 per trade. Okay, so when it lose 369 trades. So in the next 4 trades, okay, it multiply this large size with 1.5 in the next 4 trade, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, in this 4 trade it record its losing trade, and then it's come back to its normal large size, which is 11. Okay, I think we will stop it here because now you see the graph is going up and up. Okay, but it's taking long time. I will stop and we will check the report. Okay, so the maximum drawdown is 22%. Okay, but if you want to drop it, you can reduce your risk level. If you reduce the risk level, so it will be more or less. Okay, and profitable trades are 98%. Okay, and it is true because most of its trades are winning, but the backside of this is when it lose one trade, that lose a lot of money. There is 1:5 almost. And these are the other initial deposit was this much. Okay, absolute drawdown was 35. dollars, $25. I don't know what is that. Okay, and long positions is 62%, drawdown is 22%. So this is the result, and you can check that yourself. And here we will stop the video now. Okay, let me show you. Finally, this is my real account. Okay, I have deposited $500, and so far now it's reached to 529. This trade is also in profit, and there is a very small space remaining. I think when the market open it will hit it. Okay, and just in case if you want to change the setting of this EA, you want to this is the graphics. If you are running this EA with the graphics, it will take a long time. But just in case if you are testing it and if you want to see the visual, let me show you what you can do. Okay, if you want to see the visual like how this EA work, so you will go to settings and you will disable the animation. No, show the menu. It says show the menu. When you turn off, when you turn this off, so the graphics will off and it will run the backtest better than when it is on. Okay, so you turn it off and then you can see like what kind of trades it are taking. So have a good day, and I will see you in the next video when I come with a good profitable EA next time, and I invest some more money in it. Okay, bye.